a little bit of dishwasher care. So my dishwasher cycle is finished. As you can see, there's a little bit of what looks like rust that's appeared on the seals and on the hinge. This is actually no more than just little bits of food. A bit of kitchen roll, some warm water, and if you choose to, a little bit of washing up liquid. Little rub. As you can see, most of it has come off. That's the same with the seals as well. However, be more careful with the seals, as you do not want to pull the seal off the door. If you choose to, you could remove the whole tray. Starting to look like new. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more.